Same one. Okay. I think this is gonna work. We'll see. All right. Hopefully, Declan, you are also being added on to the end of another video. All right, so we have the word equal groups. It's on page number 193, okay? 4 equal groups in your math dictionaries. Underneath the word equal groups, I want you to write down this. Ready? The same number in each group. Because that's what equal groups mean. So write down the same number in each group. So Declan, in your math dictionary, find equal groups. Underneath it, write the same number in each group. Then make a picture of equal groups. So like I'm gonna have 3 groups. I'm gonna put 5 things in each of my groups.
What's it again?
Equal groups. Equal groups. And if you use regular glue, maybe kind of check to make sure that your pages every now and then just kind of see that they're still not sticking together. All right. So under equal groups, put the same number in each group and then show me what equal groups would look like. Actually, show yourself what equal groups. Curiosity. Small groups with the same number of objects. Where do you put the same number of objects? Same basic idea. Yep. All right, raise your hand if you're still working on putting equal groups in. Okay. Did you write it in yet? Okay. So you're done? Okay. The example? Okay, I'll make a little example. If you want to do 3 groups of 5 like I did, that's fine. If you want to do 4 groups with 8 in every group, that's fine. You want to do whatever you want to do to show that the groups have the same amount. All right, next, find the word multiplication. Because on the next page, page 194, we use the word multiplication. And for multiplication, to make this easy for me, I'm just going to look on the back of this one. Multiplication, which is also multiply, is so put down an operation on 2 numbers. This is multiplication. It says multiply and multiplication. It's got both of them. It'll say multiply and it will say multiplication on one you're looking for. Okay, an operation on 2 numbers to find their product. Yes. That's multiply multiplication. The one that looks like this down here. And then, as an example, just put down any multiplication problem that you might know the answer to. Like 4 times 3 is 12, but then also write it the other way. 3 times 4 is 12. So that you kind of know that those equal the same thing. Yes?
Do I want to put that?
Sure. Yeah, you can always copy exactly what I put down, that's fine.
So it might be saying.
Some people just don't like copying.
Yeah, so it's saying that.
Every now and then. For this kind of stuff, we can do the same because it's just for definitions. All right, so Declan, hopefully you're keeping up with us. Hopefully our classmates are keeping up with us. You said, okay. I didn't know if I was moving away sometimes. I forget to move. Yes. Go ahead. Make it really quick so you don't get behind. Declan, the bonus for you is you can pause this or fast forward it if you get done. If you're not done, you can pause it. All right, raise your hand if you're still working on writing that one in. Okay. Are you just doing the things now? Okay. The next one we're going to do, if you want to look for it, is multiplication sentence, which should be right here. You see it? Can you reach it?
Yeah.
Can you get it for me? It's like under here. Can you actually see it? Thank you very much. All right, for multiplication sentence, oops. Write down a number sentence using a number sentence using the, we'll put it in parentheses, X sign, which is multiplication. So for a multiplication sentence, put down a number sentence using the sign, which is the multiplication sign. So write that down for multiplication sentence. Multiplication sentence. Normally we would do this as we did lessons, but remember we were gone on quarantine. We're catching up. Then go ahead and just write any multiplication sentence that you want. Or write that one. 5 times 2 equals 10. That's an example of a multiplication sentence, because I have that in there. What? You can do whatever you want. As long as you have the right answer. Yes?
Where's the parentheses,
Well, did I put parentheses?
or what are they called on the X?
Did I put parentheses? Could you have written parentheses in the time it took you to ask the question? Do I have to write parentheses? See, I would have been so much quicker to go parentheses, just like it was written, and not even ask. Yes?
Do you have to underline the X?
You don't have to do that. I'm just showing that that was using
Okay.
the multiplication.
Well, I already did, so.
All right, raise your hand if you're still working on that one. Okay.
No.
All right, then I think there's at least one more. Oops. Button. Yeah, that's it. I gotta figure out where I was. Okay, we did that, right? Then there's no words here, there's no words there. That was the assignment, which I already did. This is multiplication, and that's what we're gonna do today. So we are caught up, or no, we're gonna do tomorrow, okay? So we are caught up, so for now, you can go ahead and, if your book is still like kind of wet, leave your dictionary out so it can dry. You can put your math book away and then line up for recess.
Look, it's